So today we're here celebrating the opening of this futsal court, which is really a multi-pitch futsal and basketball court here at Stratton Woods Park. It's a fantastic sponsorship and collaboration with the Great Outdoors Fund and Volkswagen of America and the Park Authority, of course.
I think that's the theme here is partnership. And the power of partnerships, it is real. It makes things happen. And the Fairfax County Park Authority has a strong reputation for the ability to find and work with corporate and civic partners who are seeking new, creative, and meaningful ways to play an active role in our communities. I want to thank the Park Authority for that and also our partners here today for that.
So this partnership with the Great Outdoors Fund will partner with every agency that offers recreational opportunities, and Fairfax County certainly does that. We find a private partner to help leverage everyone's dollars to enhance recreation infrastructure.
Volkswagen means the people's car, and we want to give back to the people. And what a better way than to celebrate, renovating a park and a futsal court, which is going to bring years of fun for the local community.
The reason why Stratton Woods Park is so special is it serves an opportunity area. It also has everything that one wants in a park. We have trails, we have softball and baseball, we have pickleball and tennis. We have futsal now, soccer. We have everything here, a playground, everything here that one wants. It really is a complete park.
Very fun after the ribbon cutting. We have a bunch of youth coming out, and U.S. Sports Camp, thanks to their partnership with Volkswagen, is going to host a futsal clinic for youth, and they even have some players from the U.S. men's national futsal team coming.
There we go. Good.
So futsal is a form of soccer. It's smaller teams, it's 5-person teams, and it's a smaller court. And as you can see, it's fenced. So it really allows for fast, quick play. It also is really good for skills development, for little kids especially. Did you know, literally, Lionel Messi and Cristiano Ronaldo credit futsal for helping create the soccer players that they are today? They played it when they were little kids.
Fairfax County is a really large county, and we have a lot of Fortune 500 companies. And for Volkswagen of America to really step in and help with the community that they reside in as a company is really special. We can't do it all ourselves. We really rely on public-private partnerships and contributions to really be able to provide the park system that everybody really is looking for.